Greetings.
Hello.
Greetings. Today, we're gonna make a cake. me and Lila, if you don't know me, I'm Claire. That's Lila, the person recording, or who's gonna be recording, is our lovely, lovely lady, Emma.
Lovely Emma.
We are going to be making a vanilla cake from scratch, or chocolate. I don't know.
We don't know yet.
We don't know yet. We'll find out.
Figure that out.
I'll be back. Hi! This is my pantry and I'm grabbing ingredients. Here's the recipe. It is by Simply Recipes. So some random bitch, I don't know.
Gotta give credit, guys. Don't steal.
Are we dumb?
Are you fucking kidding me?
We went on a big rant about how we didn't have strawberry jam. And I was like looking up here and I was like, oh, we have marmalade and we have raspberry jam, but we don't have
Right in front of your fucking face.
Yeah, so that's my bad. So we're gonna start hauling stuff out. We have gathered things. By the way. Time to get cooking.
Oh goody. Oh goody, goody boy.
Small bowl.
Boy, what the hell, boy?
We're oiling up.
My favorite activity. I love it when Claire oils up. Oh yeah. Wait, why are you doing that?
So that
So it
way
doesn't stick.
it doesn't stick. I think it might. Yeah, I got more flour.
Wait,
How do you open it?
ladies need help there?
No. I'm scared. No.
Who did that? Did you see that?
No. Why do they never have one teaspoon? I just want one.
I'm allowed to have one. And to break it to you. Okay, what are you doing now, Claire?
Adding baking soda.
What?
Yeah.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
Sex secret.
Why are you grabbing it like that? Oh! Excited. Yeah?
Bye. Eat the red 40.
It's actually banned in our country. So. Aww. Why did you look at me? Eat the butter? No. Claire?
No.
Did you pour on time? Wait, no, that's the wrong clip.
It is right.
No. Right after I nutted.
Stop. That's yourself. We need a cup of sugar.
I don't want a cookie. I don't want a cupcake.
These are like hard. Hello?
Just like me. No. Claire, are you okay? Where's your sugar, bro? Oh, got that chunk in there. Can I touch you?
Well, if you want.
Is it okay if I touch you? I would love you to touch you.
Why
I want your eggs large
No,
and plump.
but like, is there small eggs? Is that?
I think maybe. Am I cracking you? Am I
Like-
cracking you, Claire?
Am I cracking you, Claire?
Come crack. Come crack.
I'm all crack. Oh, you got that on your phone.
Actually, it's next to it.
Hey. All your appliances speak to you.
You have egg in our egg.
Her fridge talks. Her oven just speaks. Oh, you know, ovens beep.
Her oven just beep.
Her oven fucking works.
My oven doesn't beep.
Are you being for real?
Yeah.
Wait, what?
My microwave beeps.
Strawberry spread.
Spread.
I don't really understand the difference between jam. Okay.
I can do it.
Let's share.
I want to share. Hello?
What? Girl, that's not how you open that. You have to pull.
stuck it in my tip.
I like it that way.
I get that.
Ew! What? It looks. You know when people freeze honey and put it in like water bottles? That's what that shit looks like.
Ew.
Let's make frozen honey.
Yeah, wait, it does.
Get a load of this guy.
I don't like this. I can't.
Ew.
Squeeze.
Why does it look like that?
Like fill this whole thing up.
That's enough. Again.
Again.
Again. More.
You're like so intensely looking at it.
Why did it recoil?
Butter.
Do you guys?
Hello?
Do you guys remember that one clip of like the dog with the butter on him?
Dog with the butter dog.
Butter dog. The dog with the butter. Butter
I used
dog.
to quote that all the time.
All the day.
Not today. Nom nom. Nom.
I had to add the secret ingredient.
Whoa, I didn't see it.
There's love. Oh,
You can have
guys.
some.
Guys?
Only if you ask nicely.
Guys?
I'm not asking this. I take what I want.
Okay, Ricky. Thank you. Wow.
Have you ever drinking that? It's really gross.
Have you?
I sipped it once. Who dared me to do it? Boy?
Why are you drinking?
It was a dare! Okay, it was a triple dog dare.
Can you give me a fork?
The triple dog dare.
What in the...
Yes.
Oh, too slow. You thought I was gonna make you pay for your pickers?
You're done.
You thought I was gonna make you pay.
In Fortnite, her boyfriend thing was like, he took my gun because I died in Fortnite, and
Pump
he
and
was like,
dump?
"This is my pump and dump, my beloved pump and dump," and he was like,
Pump, pump,
"You're not
pump.
getting it back. You're gonna have to pay for it." And he gave it back, and he was like, "Huh, you thought you were gonna have to pay for it?" Nah.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Orange juice this time.
Get that.
Boy, did that?
No, I didn't. Get it! I didn't mean that.
Oh, I thought you meant. Well, I did too.
That's okay.
Get it!
Can I squeeze it? Ew, it's sweating.
What are you talking?
The sour
Like
cream
when
is
the
sweating.
condensation.
Oh, okay.
on the
just,
outside.
just squeeze the damn thing. I'm sweating.
What the heck?
Wait.
More?
More.
Boy. Oh, that's.
Is that it?
Give me a spoon.
What? I don't know why I had to process
Why do I feel like Jennifer Coolidge has been like in her 50s like forever?
that. I love her. She's
How old is she?
I don't know.
my main goal in life is to be able to do an impression of her and to blow up.
My mango.
dog.
4th of July.
Red
No.
40.
Oh. I don't like that.
Ew. Oh.
What is that? That looks like the
It's the lobotomy
that
tool.
open you at the gynecologist. That looks like a bit. What is it called? Like a pap smear thing?
Okay, we're making a cake.
Not a vagina.
Do you know what I'm talking
Hold
about?
it.
Can I lick this?
Not yet. It's chunky.
Well, we have an electric one, but that one's like angry.
Why?
Well, all our appliances are alive. Our appliances are alive.
First the fridge beeped, then the oven.
Her mixer is angry. I don't like it here. Why is it wet?
Do you want to be
Oh, is this
sad?
from-
Do you want to be sad?
I want it to be.
Look at him. Look at him.
Look at him like.
Look.
I don't want a cupcake. I'm looking at him. Okay? I'm sorry.
Would you want me to be sad?
He's fine. He doesn't have feelings. He doesn't have a brain. He doesn't have veins. He doesn't. This is an object.
Where are you sleeping tonight?
In your bed.
If you're lucky.
Guess where you're not sleeping. Hold on. Let me show you her new location. Come on. No.
You want to see
No. No. Boy. Oh. Wait. I don't think I'll fit.
Slide in there real quick.
I'm not getting in there.
There's no choice.
Put it away. Oh, put it down. Hey, Diva. Who is you? Yeah?
Who said that? Did you guys hear that?
Who said that?
Guys, I'm scared. I don't know what that was. Oh boy, I'm gonna do that tonight. Let's go on this way. Maybe it is alive, actually. He's.
I know my drink was
Where did my
warm.
cup go? Oh wait, are we? Did I put my cup away?
I think you did.
Yikes.
2-layer cake. Okay. Experienced.
Were you doubting me?
No. These are like chunks of butter.
I think we should make ASMR.
I got you guys.
There's like chunks of butter, but guess what? It will just melt in the oven.
Watch yourself, boy.
On the radio, stereo, way you move ain't fair, you know. Can't like too.
Who gave Lila the sidebar again?
Who cut this?
I don't know, some emo. I added too much to my pan.
Good girl.
Enough.
Good girl.
Is this Santa? It's you. It's you. I'm not sabotaging your cake.
What are you gonna do with that?
I don't know. Is this Santa?
What? Claire, what are you talking about? It's Santa. Like, give it to me.
Show them. Is it Santa? Or am I crazy? Please tell me you see Santa.
It is Santa.
Okay.
It is.
What do you mean is that Santa?
I just thought I was
Is that Santa? Yes.
Oh,
racist, Claire?
oh.
What?
Oh, and this is Claus. What a klutz.
What a clutch.
Slut.
Oh.
What a fucking whore. Oh yeah.
That's a start.
So if you want to use this as makeup remover, it melted my foundation off pretty well. Canola oil spray, no calories per serving, versatile.
My face has 0 calories. Insane.
My face is on a diet. My face is anorexic.
I do not own a brick of cream cheese, so we are using whipped. I don't really know what that means, other than the fact that it's not a brick. I don't know who whipped this. That's illegal.
It's illegal now.
You scoop it out into the. Do your work.
You work whore.
With what?
Styrofoam spoon. It's like same thing.
When did I just miss? Oh. Oh.
It looks like ice cream.
Wait. Oh, maybe that was enough actually.
Well, it's 8 ounces, isn't it? Yeah, it's enough.
The whole thing?
Yeah.
I'm so sorry.
What the? Wait, take that out. It's what are you doing?
Why is it sparking?
What did you do? Did you put it in a metal bowl?
Claire.
What'd you do? What? What?
Oh my god.
Oh.
You almost blew up the microwave. Your mom called it. She said don't blow up the microwave.
She said don't blow something up in the microwave, not blow up the microwave.
Don't play.
Claire, what are we doing out here?
What's going on? Making sure it doesn't blow up.
My main goal in life is to blow
Are we gonna be
up.
able to go to the pool? So if you are this far into the video and you see that you're subscribed, you might know me from Roblox. Hi. I never did a face
Ow, I
reveal.
just hit my
Hi.
teeth on this.
Yes, I posted Roblox videos. Do I regret it? No. I had fun. She's whimsical. I'm whimsical. And you guys, if you hate, you're not. Well, we're putting strawberries in the middle too.
Yeah.
Like we're gonna
Oh,
prep.
like a.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So while that is cooking, good look. You didn't say a time.
How long has it been in?
Stuck in my face.
No.
How about now?
Still no.
Yeah, I know.
It's been no.
Get to cutting.
What's that supposed to mean, huh? Oh.
Sydney Sweeney.
She pissed in
Did you see? I stole your kidney.
I'm eating your kidneys.
I eat pasta for breakfast. Okay, not like that. I wasn't even referencing that.
That's all I think of.
Clearly.
The baby.
Do we need to take a trip to the wall?
The wall. Oh.
The wall?
I don't know.
Let's take a trip.
Are you ready?
Yeah, that's what I was.
Okay. So these are mine.
Mm-hmm.
Don't pan down to my legs. Which one is this? No.
Well, no, that's what. Sorry.
This is Claire's super epic room.
Come. She come.
No,
She come. Yeah, he lied.
Hi. We're gonna put this in the freezer.
Oh. Do not.
I'm serving some up for my family and myself.
Nom.
Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed us making a cake.
I cried
She cried a lot.
at my own joke. I made myself laugh so hard I cried.
If you liked the video, if you liked the video, you should come back.
Don't forget to subscribe and smash that bell. Oh.
Bye.